Welcome to the Munivo Drive tutorial for menu navigation and calibration. Here you will learn how to navigate the menu with your glasses. Select/deselect points and change settings. In the display of the glasses, you will see the menu. It gives you access to all the functions of Munivo Drive. By swiping to the left or right, like shaking your head when saying no, you switch between the different points in the menu. By nodding down, you select a point. By nodding upwards, you go back one step. In addition to various functions such as seat adjustment, you can also take pictures with the glasses, change the volume, adjust different languages, and much more. A very important function to adjust the wheelchair settings perfectly to your individual requirements is the calibration. It can be found under the menu item, Settings, and then Calibration. Here you can calibrate both the nodding and the tilting. After you have selected the calibration for a movement, the text in the display guides you through the fine-tuning. Important: when nodding and tilting your head, which means the movements you use for menu navigation or driving, always make sure that they feel good and, above all, are easy for you to perform.